Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix operation could not be completed error, and the error code you can see on the screen is 0x00000709. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the printer error code 0x00000709 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just click on the start menu, then click on settings, or you can just click on this start menu, then type here troubleshoot. You can see here troubleshoot setting, click on that, click on other troubleshooters. You can see here printer, just click on run. I had not connected any printer, so it's not showing here. After getting your printer name, just click on next and it will fixes the problem automatically. After trying this, still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. Click on the search menu, then type here regedit. Click on this registry editor, click on yes to allow. In this, you can see here HK current user. You have to click on that, click and expand. After that, you need to expand this software. Double click and expand. After that, you need to find Microsoft. You can see here Microsoft, double click and expand. After that, you need to find Windows NT. Scroll down. You can see here Windows NT, double click and expand. After that, you will find current version, double click and expand. After that, you need to find Windows. You have to just single click on that, right click on Windows folder, then click on permissions. After that, just click on add, then click on object types. You have to just check mark only for users. You have to just uncheck others, then click on OK, then click on advanced, click on find now. Select your login username. This is my login username. Then click OK. Then click OK again. Select the username and you have to give full permissions. After giving full permissions, then click OK. Then close this windows and restart your PC. After restarting, check, hope your issue will be resolved. After trying both these options, still you are facing the issue, and the last final method is you have to open the services, click on the search menu and type services, click on the services. In this, you need to find print spooler. Just select any one of this service, then press P key. After pressing P, here you will find print spooler, right click on that, click on properties. Here service startup type should be automatic. Then click on start, click on apply, click OK. After clicking this, you have to make sure this service is running. Close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix operation could not be completed. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.